Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are checking out the MSI GeForce GTX. So let's go ahead and get unboxing. This is the 1660 Super. Get a nice MSI packet. And here we go. Look at that bad boy. There's the different ports you get. Nice protected case. Very nice. This is a really nice GPU. Hey guys, as you can see, the graphics card is in. Now, I know you can't tell the color. The colors are so much more beautiful in person than what you see right now. I mean, trust me, it's beautiful. And it's during the day right now, so at nighttime it's going to look even better. Highly recommend this for everybody if you want to build a really nice gaming PC or even just a really nice YouTube PC. So there's the MSI. It's working perfectly. As you can see down underneath, you got some RGB lights as well, so it looks really cool. Works perfectly with the build. Love it.